Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to convert a string into a list of characters without using a split function or join function. So let's start the tutorial. The command is enter the string. My name is Charan. When I click enter, notice this is the original string. My name is Charan, which is a string format. After that, this string I converted into a list of characters, and the type of this variable is list.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is a Python-tutorials. And here it is, our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now in this folder, I will create one new Python file called convert string to list of characters.py. And here we got the newly created Python file is open. Now my aim is how to convert a string into a list of characters. I want to separate each and every word from a string into a letters, and that letters I want to convert that into a list without using a split function or join function. So first let's define one string variable. I want to enter the string using enter by the user. Enter the string. After that, I want to print the original string. The original string is string 1. Now let's check the type of this variable. Type is str1. Now up to here, okay, it's in the string format. Now I want to convert that into a list of characters. So here I am adding convert list. Convert list is equals to x for x in string 1. After that, print convert list. That's it. Now let's check the type of this list. Type is equals type convert list. That's it. Now let's check the output of our application. Go to file, click save all, then go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Let's check the output. How to convert a string into a list of character without using a split or join. I have not used a split or join function. Now command is py convert string to list of character.py. When I click enter, notice it's prompting enter the string. Now I am entering my name is Charan. When I click enter, notice this is the original string. My name is Charan, and this string is converted into list of characters. It's converted to list. But here I am getting the spaces also. Notice here my name, after that I got a space, name, after that I got space here also. So I want to remove that spaces. For that, a string class contains a function called replace. Replace a string with space without space. That's it. Let's save this file. Save all. Now we'll check the final output of our application. Let's clear this one. The command is enter the string. My name is Charan. When I click enter, notice this is the original string. My name is Charan, which is a string format. After that, this string I converted into a list of characters, and the type of this variable is list. And this I have achieved without using split or join function. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.